Imagine running a 100 billion parameter AI model right on your everyday laptop. No fancy GPU, no cloud server, just your CPU. Sounds like science fiction, right? Thanks to Microsoft's BitNet.cpp, this is now a reality. In this video, we'll explore how BitNet.cpp is changing the game for AI enthusiasts and developers alike. We'll break down what makes this framework special, why it's so efficient, and how you can get started running massive AI models on your own machine. Let's dive into the future of AI right from your desktop. BitNet.cpp is an open-source framework developed by Microsoft that lets you run enormous AI models on your CPU. It's fast, efficient, and completely changes how we think about deploying artificial intelligence. Instead of relying on expensive hardware or cloud credits, BitNet.cpp empowers you to harness the power of AI directly from your laptop or desktop. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, this tool opens up new possibilities for experimentation and development. Let's see why BitNet.cpp is making waves in the AI community. So, what makes BitNet.cpp so special? For starters, it doesn't require any fancy hardware. Your everyday laptop or desktop can handle it, no need to invest in a high-end GPU. BitNet.cpp delivers up to 6x faster performance and slashes energy consumption by up to 82% compared to traditional setups. That means you save money on electricity and help the environment at the same time. Plus, running AI offline keeps your data private and secure. It's a win-win for both performance and privacy. BitNet.cpp can handle massive models up to 100 billion parameters on ordinary hardware. Imagine generating text at 5 to 7 words per second, all on your CPU. This is about as fast as reading your morning emails. The implications are huge. Offline AI assistants that work even when your Wi-Fi is down, AI running on tiny devices like smart fridges or car dashboards, and greener technology that uses less power. BitNet.cpp is making big dreams possible on small machines. BitNet.cpp is the engine behind running 1-bit large language models like BitNet B158. These models are incredibly lightweight thanks to a technique called 1.5 8-bit quantization. Think of it like compressing a huge photo into a tiny file without losing quality. Instead of using bulky 16-bit or 32-bit numbers for the model's weights, BitNet.cpp uses just 1.58 bits, basically -1, 0, or 1. This makes the model small enough for your CPU to handle with ease. The secret sauce behind BitNet.cpp's speed is its optimized kernels. Think of these as high-performance engines that make calculations run smoothly and efficiently on your CPU. Microsoft has designed these kernels to get the most out of your hardware, ensuring that even large models can run without lag. While BitNet.cpp currently focuses on CPUs, support for NPUs and GPUs is on the horizon, promising even more flexibility in the future. Traditional AI models are like giant SUVs, powerful but heavy and resource-hungry. They use large numbers to store knowledge, which eats up memory and demands serious hardware. BitNet.cpp, on the other hand, is like a sleek electric scooter. It uses 1-bit quantization to keep things light and fast. The optimized kernels act as the scooter's motor, zipping through calculations without wasting energy. This means you get high performance without the high costs. Ready to try BitNet.cpp yourself? You'll need a few tools installed. Make sure you have Python 3.9 or newer, CMake 3.2, 2 or higher, and Clang 18 or above. Conda is optional but highly recommended for managing Python environment. If you're on Windows, Visual Studio 2022 is a must, along with specific components for C++ development. Linux users can install Clang and related tools via the terminal. These tools set the stage for building and running BitNet.cpp smoothly. Once your tools are ready, it's time to grab the BitNet.cpp code from GitHub. Open your terminal or PowerShell and use the git clone command to download the repository. Navigate into the BitNet directory to prepare for the next steps. This process is straightforward and ensures you have the latest version of the framework ready to build and run on your machine. To keep things organized, it's best to use a Conda environment. Create a new environment for BitNet.cpp and activate it. Then, install the required Python packages using pip and the requirements.txt file. If you're not using Conda, just make sure your Python environment includes all the necessary dependencies. This step ensures your setup is clean and avoids conflicts with other projects. Now, you'll need a pre-trained model to run. Head over to Hugging Face and download a model like BitNet B1 582 B4 tons. Use the Hugging Face-Lie tool to fetch the model and save it locally. This model is a great starting point for experimenting with BitNet.cpp. Once downloaded, you'll have everything you need to start running AI on your laptop. With everything set up, it's time to run the model. Use the provided Python scripts to set up the environment and launch inference. You can specify options like how many words to generate, how many CPU threads to use, and how creative the AI's responses should be. The model runs in chat mode, acting as your trusty AI sidekick, all powered by your CPU. It's a hands-on experience that brings the power of AI directly to your fingertips. Curious about how fast your setup is? BitNet.cpp includes a benchmarking script that tests the model's speed and power usage. Run the benchmark with a sample prompt and see how many words per second your laptop can generate. You'll get detailed stats on performance and efficiency, showing just how much BitNet.cpp squeezes out of your hardware. It's a great way to measure your progress and optimize your setup. If you want to experiment without downloading a real model, BitNet.cpp lets you create dummy models for testing. Generate a fake model with a specific number of parameters and run benchmarks to see how different setups perform. This feature is perfect for tinkering and learning how BitNet.cpp works before committing to larger downloads or real-world applications. BitNet.cpp is just the beginning. As Microsoft continues to develop this framework, we can expect even more support for different hardware and even larger models. The dream of running powerful AI on everyday devices is now within reach. Whether you're building offline assistants, experimenting with green tech, or just curious about AI BitNet, CPP opens up a world of possibilities. The future of AI is personal, efficient, and right at your fingertips.